Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Oh, now then, where are we? Ready to head out again? I'm gonna get some food, but it's a sad day today. It is a very, very sad day because my trusty old Canterbury baseball cap that I've had for about 4 or 5 years, paid I think it was 100 baht for, is no more. The strap at the back is gone, keeps coming off. So I'm gonna have to buy myself a new baseball cap today, yet more expense. El scored Cheerio today. Clear blue skies. I have to be careful in this sun today. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but I had thoughts of, after breakfast, going to Klong Thailand, Klong Thai market, and having a look around there, a little bit of culture. I thought about, should I go on a bus tour? But then again, you're mingling with other tourists, so a bit like kind of uniform, get on, get off, get on. What else was I thinking of? I might get on the boat on the river and just have because it's a warm day, have a ride up and down the river and get off at various stops. But it's something watered on and all that. I've done it all before, I can say I've done it all before. I might go to that flower market. What are you talking about with a flower market? I might just a bit of colour, something different. I'll decide when I've had my breakfast. But it's going to be hot today, you can tell. I've enjoyed my time in Grung Tape. It's been very good. And I'll tell you what I've enjoyed as well. 2 days off that beer. Alright, I had with my tea last night, I had 1 Leo. So I had 2 Leos in 2 days. And I feel amazing. I do, honestly. But that'll all change tomorrow when my mate arrives. I'm going to pick him up at the airport tomorrow and we're heading to Pattaya. So I'm going to let my hair down for a while and then after a week I'll be on my travels again. Clear blue skies almost and red hot Scorchio temperature. I'm going to have to buy a cap because I'm thinning on top and it'll burn me scalp. The heat is unforgiving. So this is the way I get to Terminal 21, go along this walkway, cut out that intersection. I think I mentioned it before. A little bit of shade as well. I have to be careful today because I reckon it's maybe 36, 38. Continue along this walkway and Pier 21, Terminal 21. Just get straight on the elevator and up to the food court. Peeping out of the sun through here actually and straight up there. I'm still going to have my favourite duck and pork. And I'm going to get myself a papaya salad as well. Som tam Thai. Queuing up for my som tam Thai. The ladies there are making it. I only have 1 chilli. Can't stand more than that because it's very, very hot. It's delicious. Got this additional spice there. Too much for me. And there's the prices of there. It's 35 baht. Thank you. So there we are, look. So I'm grabbing a change today. I'm going to get Markab. That lad's in the way. Number 5, the beef massaman curry with rice curry. Just for a change. Can't wait to get into this. So this massaman curry, she said it's not spicy. It's alright. Nice and smooth. The sauce isn't overly hot. The rice is alright. Not as good though as what I usually have. It's alright though. Have a taste of the beef. No, that is nice. Nice and tender. So this is the food court. It's always busy. So if it's always busy, it means it's good and it's cheap as well. Tuk tuk. Let's try me som tam. Alright, ma. Now then, where are we? My old mate. In the next hour or so, we'll be setting off to the airport in England. I'll meet him tomorrow. Makes me chuckle. It's his first time, and he will have absolutely no idea what to expect. So I'm looking forward to meeting up with him tomorrow. I've binned the idea of going to Klong Toy Market. It's too hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Sapan Taksin, and from there I'm going to get a boat, and I am going to go to a place called Pak Klong Talan, which is like the flower market. From there I can walk to like a picturesque area called Talad Noi. I've seen a video before, and it's all like little alleyways and little side saws with a little bit of culture. So I'm just going to have a walk around there, and also just have a ride up and down the river with a nice cool breeze. Right, I'm now in a soak and I want to go to Sapan Taksin. This is that one. 47 baht. I'll put in the 50. Go on. You see that? There was 10 baht in that tray. 10 baht. For once in my life, I'm ahead. Right. Owen, mai ru, so sir, kokai, asok. Koto kap, kunช่วยผมครับ Owen, mai ru na.
สระโอ
Sarao, so sir,
สอสลา
so sala, kokai. Oh, kap, asok. Thank you. It's this guy next to me, if he can help me. Look at that. Oh, really? Koto kap. Kunช่วยผมครับ
You speak better Thai than I do.
Oh, you're What an idiot.
สถานีต่อไปเซนต์หลุยส์ Next station เซนต์หลุยส์สถานีต่อไปสะพานตากสิน Next station สะพานตากสิน This train is for Bangla.
I was getting my Liga class and my size mixed up then. Now I'm on the old Rua Si Som, the orange boat, which will be about another 10 minutes. It cost me 16 baht. I could have got that one for 30. But I'm waiting for the orange one, there's no rush. Today I'm going to be cha-cha.
She want to hug you.
Okay. Koto kap, kunช่วยผมครับ ททหาร
ฮะทอทหาร
สระอา
ใช่
น้องหนู
งองู
ไม่รู้โล่น
ลอลิง
โล่ลิงน้องหนูไม่รู้
สระเอ
สระเอรอรู
รอเรือ
รอเรือสระอาน
สระอือ
อันโออ่า
อ่าง yes
พุทธภาษาไทย
ทางลงเรือ
ทางลองเรือ
ใช่
ขอบคุณมากครับ
ครับ
โสดไหม
สดไหมสดอย่าเขิน
พี่ไอายนะ
พี่อายสดอ้าวเป็นเด็กเลย
You're gonna get me a free mask. This is Owen behind the scenes.กี่บาทครับ
free
Oh, free? Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for the orange boat. There's all the staff here having a bit of banter and a laugh. Laughing and joking, eating the food. Laughing. And then we've got our Farang contingent. Not speaking to anyone. Happy. Sad.
Same for America,
Yeah. I can't understand how you can let that old guy run your country. He couldn't get on there. Never mind run the country.
Well, this is the evidence that the fact that he's there
Yeah.
is evidence,
Evidence,
that they
yeah.
want the thing to go down.
Yes,
collapse.
yeah, something's happening.
Somebody's engineering a collapse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
roasted chicken
เอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you won't make me
กริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ